I'm going to show you how to set the clock on the Samsung Slim Microwave. And this model number is... It's pretty easy to do, but it is a little bit tricky. If I can do it, you can do it. So the key here is make sure that is blinking. And once that's blinking, hit the clock 3 seconds below the number 7 and hold for 3 seconds. So here we go. 1, 2, 3. And then you see the clock start blinking. That means now you can change your time. So let's go ahead and do 8:30. And then you hit OK. That's it, guys. Real easy, real simple. Let's do it one more time here. Okay. Well, first you got to hit the stop button because you want that blinking. Okay. So now locate the 7 right below it. You see the clock. Hold it for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Then we're going to put in the correct time, exact time here. 8:53. Oops. All right, I'm going to redo it here one more time. 1, 2, 3. Since that's blinking. Okay. And then 8:53 and select OK. That's it, guys. That's how you change the clock on the Samsung Slim Microwave.